Hey everyone, Brent here from Goalorious, where we set goals, hit goals, and make new ones. So speaking of goals, today I wanted to talk about me reaching my goal of hitting $10,000 earned through crypto. So if you've been watching since the beginning, the beginning has only been 3 weeks. I started investing in crypto on March 21st, and I wanted to showcase, when I started my journey, I wanted to showcase all the coins that I was buying in my crypto portfolio. I have a previous video where I showed my portfolio when I started at 25,000, and then I went up to 50,000, invested in a bunch of different cryptos. I bought way too much in the beginning. I bought 30 coins, and then I scaled it down to less than 20. But I think, if you see the top banner at the top, my first goal was hitting 1,000, and I hit that in a week. That was pretty easy. If you're investing 50,000, if you don't hit 1,000 a week, then what are you doing? My second goal was hitting 10,000. And to be honest, I've actually hit 10,000 a couple times with things fluctuating. I hit it with Dogecoin, and apologies if I'm saying that wrong in the beginning when Bitcoin and Ethereum were going up. But I definitely hit it because of if you haven't seen my previous videos, and heard of the SafeMoon hype, I own, a good amount of SafeMoons, 751 million SafeMoons. I think this is a lot, but I see other people out there with 2 or 3 billion. But just alone today, I hit my 10,000 goal with SafeMoon. So not even including, I could show my portfolio through coin stats and things like that. You could see, I've invested in a couple things, but just alone, I put $750 into SafeMoon, and today it's at 10,000 plus my other things. You could trust me that I did make $200, $300 just from those other things. And that, yeah, I hit my 10,000 goal, to be honest. And I wanted to show, first of all, and I'll make a separate video on making money from SafeMoon, but I just wanted to showcase that, hey, I hit my goal so that I could check that off, and I could check it off in my banner. And that I'm really happy with all the progress that I've made in my crypto journey. It's been only 30 days, but I'm super excited about creating videos. I'm super excited about learning about the altcoins, super excited learning about how to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum and when to invest it. But I just really want to, hopefully show people out there that it is possible to invest in crypto. I know people say that, oh, it's too late, Bitcoin's ready, whatever, but it's not too late. And I'm just showcasing that, hey, you can do this. And even, obviously, I wanted to keep it separate from my 50,000 I invested. I'm talking about the 750 that I had here, that I'm still able to hit these goals. And even though my next goal is 100,000, and that's going to be a lot harder than the 10,000, I wanted to just say that, I think with it, researching, do your own research and learning. And I don't want to say it's not, the knowledge and all this stuff. It's definitely luck. Luck definitely plays a price in this. And yeah, I just wanted to make this video to say, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. I didn't have any knowledge in crypto. Sure, I got lucky, but I said, things that I've done, I've hit this a couple times with things, but I just wanted to showcase that I hit my 10,000, and I took a screenshot of it because I've been forgetting. But yeah, hopefully that it provides some sort of, relief for, people get excited or inspiration or whatever. But I want to just let you guys know that if I can do it, you can do it too. Even though a lot of luck plays involved, that it is something that can be done, and it just gets me excited for the future. And I'm gonna need all the tips from you guys. If you want to throw some tips at me, the research from other YouTubers, I want to thank all of them that have helped me along the way. I am still learning, but I know that I've made a lot of progress in the last couple weeks, and I hope that in the future that I can help even more of you guys along the way, and you could also hit your goals too. So next goal is 100,000, and I hope to hit that. I probably won't hit that. I don't know. I don't want to say that. I was gonna say I don't think I'm gonna hit that in the next 30 days, but you never know. And maybe it's with SafeMoon, but the goal is not when. It's the matter of no. It's not when. It's if. Or no, it's not if. It's when. There you go. It's not if, but when. I know I'm gonna hit it. It just depends when. It could be a month from now. It could be a couple months from now. It could be a year from now. But the goal is to keep at this until I hit it. And I appreciate you guys for joining me on this journey. And I'll catch you guys next time. Let me know what your goals are, what you guys plan to hit, and give me some inspiration to continue. Of course, I'm gonna continue, but give me some inspiration because I want to know about your guys' story. And let's hit these goals together.